if you're looking for some color for your garden, you have to come out to Margie's Farm and Garden. I'm with Margie, and it's like everything is in big bloom now.
Oh, it is. We're seeing so much color here in the greenhouse.
It's beautiful. So tell us about all your favorites. These are gorgeous.
Okay, so for today we pulled out some of our favorites, and as usual, I have to talk about our Kufia Vermillionaire and Hummingbird Lunch are two of our favorites. And as you can see why it's Hummingbird Lunch, it is the hummingbird's favorite plant here in our greenhouse.
Oh, it's
beautiful. And it blooms fantastic long to frost. So
nice.
It's a fantastic one.
Bright orange, that's so pretty. And then this gold is amazing.
Oh, we love this. This is a proven winners, Rockin Salvia, Golden Delicious, smells like pineapple. And we're so excited. We're just about ready to start seeing it bloom. It's vibrant red,
wow,
which is such a great contrast with the leaves. And oh, it smells so good. Just like
nice.
Fresh pineapple.
It is. And then I love the texture of that. It looks like a sedum or something.
It almost does. This is called Cerveza and Lime, fun plant. It's a placranthus, smells just like lime, can take the hard heat, and just is one of those easy care plants that you don't have to do much with, but has fun foliage and blooms great.
Nice. And then I love these combinations here. Look at the fiber optic grass in a container. That's great.
Oh, thank you. We love using it. It's such a fun plant to fill in. If you're not really sure what you want to do, some fiber optic grass. As you can see why it's called fiber optic grass. It looks like it has fiber optics on it.
It is. That's
and
very
it's
cool.
Easy care plant. It can be used as a water plant or in any kind of sun or shade containers.
Nice, nice. And then dahlias already. Wow.
Oh my gosh, we have some beautiful dahlias. I love that fuchsia color and then this orange. Aren't those beautiful?
Wow.
And they're beautiful together. And again, something else that will bloom all summer long.
Nice, nice. And then going to fragrance, look at the heliotrope.
Back to fragrant, we've got our purple heliotrope and the white, both fantastic fragrance. If you've never smelt it, it's a vanilla smell and just beautiful. I don't put them in the full hot sun, but they take a good amount.
Nice, nice. And you know, you have so many beautiful baskets here, and you're showing us little plants too, so maybe you can help us put some together, combinations?
Oh, definitely, definitely. So we have hundreds of different combinations already pre-done and blooming beautiful. But if you want to plant them up yourself, if you have your own container, or if you just really like adding your own spin on them, we can help you, and we have all the components to make your basket beautiful for you.
Yeah, so there's just so many things to choose from, and we're still going here. We got Celosia here. And
yes, this is new for us this year, this variety of Celosia, and it's just getting ready to start blooming. So it's going to be really fun to mix into containers or plant in your flower beds as it's starting to bloom, as the weather warms up.
And I know you always have a lot of coleus, but this one is such big leaves. It's
oh
amazing.
My gosh, yeah, the Kong coleus. This leaf is beautiful. This is one made for the shade, and the leaves get huge, and it's an easy care plant to add to your shade gardens.
Wow, and then next to it, something for sun?
Yes, yes. Our trailing, this is again another easy care plant. I had this last year in my yard. I kind of ignored it, and it did fabulous.
Nice.
And it bloomed red and did wonderful all summer, especially last year with the heat.
Wow.
This did well with the heat.
Okay, and what's the name of that one?
This is the Mesotrailing Red.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then the Licorice Vine, another tried and true, so easy.
It's just one of those great filler plants to add to your containers or in your hanging baskets. It has the fun velvety leaves, and we have it in the small leaf or a large leaf.
Ooh, look at
so
that.
whatever your container calls for, we can help you with that.
Nice. And then straw flowers. I think they're always so unique because when you touch them, they're already dry.
It's like a dry flower. Yeah, these are just getting ready to open up, so by the weekend we'll be good to go. These are great for full sun, easy care. We also put them in mixed baskets with some verbena so they can take the hot sun and bloom great all summer long.
That's really unique. I've never seen them in a hanging basket, so that's really going to be fun to have it just pop in there.
It will, yes.
And so you have to give us some tips on care because you guys do such a great job, but now it's like, but now they're under my care when they get home.
Oh, definitely. When everybody comes out and they pick their plants or their basket, we talk to you about what area it needs to go to, if it should go sun or shade. We'll give advice on fertilizing and caring and deadheading because we want you to be successful with your plants.
And the staff out here, they're so friendly and so helpful and so knowledgeable. So really come out to Margie's Farm and Garden, get all your annuals, get your baskets going, and even try to make a combination combination yourself. So for more information, please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website. Margie, thanks so much.
Thank you, Judy.